What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new diecast unboxing video. In today's episode, we are going to check out some M2 machines, square bodies, and a couple of Broncos. Let's jump right into the video and get started with this one right here. This is M2 Auto Mods, and let's see if it has, there we go. It is limited to 7,000 pieces worldwide, and I'm pretty stoked to get this one. You guys know I love my square bodies and my lowered trucks in general. And this is going to look great on the shelf next to the others. Alright, there we go. There you go. There it is on its little base, which is pretty cool. But we're going to remove it completely with our M2 screwdriver. And here it is. Look how cool that is. Got Excel tampo on the side. I think they make spark plug wires, I think. Goodyear tires on very good looking black rims. Let me see if I can get a little bit more light on those rims. There we go. Those are sick looking. Very nice. And some fatter ones in the rear. Black metal base, of course. Painted handle. Black interior. Weather stripping around the windshield looks really nice. 76 on the bumper, and of course there's GMC on the back because this is a beautiful GMC. I wish I had more GMCs in my collection. And there's the tampo on the hood. Very cool. Let's see, got the opening hood there. Alright, got a nice looking LS1 it looks like. This truck is badass. I really love that M2 makes these slam trucks. Really stokes me out. Grill work looks really nice. Got some yellow headlights, and they're like very slammed. Just like my personal truck, I love it. All right, we got one more M2. We got this little beauty. Really cool. Little Scottsdale in metallic pink. This one is way more limited. There's only 3,600 of these. And this is my second time ordering this particular model. I ordered one before, it never came in the mail, and I never got my money back from eBay. But it's alright. Second time's a charm, I guess. Right, and there it is in this little case. And once again, we're going to bust out the screwdriver, and we're going to set it free. Right, and here we go. We have removed it from that annoying little base. I really wish these came in blisters. I just throw all those little cases away. They annoy me to no end. But anywho, another nice slammed Chevy. Different rims this time. Let's get some more light once again since they are black. Very nice. They also have a Goodyear tampo on the tires. Scottsdale logo on the side there. Very nice. Lens taillights. Pink Chevrolet on the back. There should be some roll pans, that would be cool. There's again the black metal base. Another black interior, and let's check out under the hood, same engine. This time we have clear headlights. And overall, I'm super amped to add this to the collection. So sick. Alright, there's those two. And now, let's crack open a couple of Broncos. From GM, now to Ford. That was 16 bucks at Hobby Lobby. And we've got a couple of Broncos. I guess, oh, there we go. These were limited to 5,650 pieces. And we're going to open that up right now. Here it is on the lift. Two different versions of the Bronco. All right. Now, again, I'm going to unscrew these from the base. And once again, I will return shortly. All right, we are back, and check this out. We got us a little beauty right here, a little green and black number. Very realistic, awesome looking rims, and some really cool tires. I think those are Wranglers. Yes, they are Goodyear Wranglers. I used to sell a lot of those when I used to work at the car dealership. Oh, and we got a spare right there. Look at the awesome taillight detail. We got a hitch on this bad boy. Nice black interior with a roll bar. Windshield looks pretty good. Ford logo looks great. Some painted headlights. Got a little bit of shaker up front. Let's see if the hood opens. I think it does. Yep, sure does. Oh, we got a nice blue engine. Let's see if we can get a little bit more light on it. It's pretty cool. Of course, it's metal on metal. Oh, I gotta remove that still. Yeah, M2 packaging is pretty nutty. Pretty nutty. I mean, like I said, I really do just prefer a blister. All this stuff to unscrew and throw away. Like, my trash can is just full of M2 garbage right now. That's crazy. There we go. That is gone. Oh, we got us a great little Bronco. How cool is that? You guys probably know me as more of a GM guy or someone who likes Hondas and Japanese and hell, even exotic Italians. But I still can appreciate a cool old school Ford Bronco. And hell, why not even two? Check this one out. Navy blue Bronco. Great looking grill. Ford is very legible. Another shaker. Looks like same wheels and tires, just painted gold this time around. Another spare on the back and another tow hitch. Awesome. I don't think that comes off, but I don't want to try. Let's see, it's probably the same engine. Yep, same engine. And most likely the same base. Oops, and once again, M2 making me work extra hard for the die cast. Alright, and it's gone forever. Awesome. What a great little Bronco. Check that out, you guys. Isn't that fantastic? They did a great job with these two Broncos. Let me know in the comments which of the two Broncos is your favorite, and also which of these two square bodies is your favorite. Me personally, let's see, can I even decide? I'm gonna go with the blue Bronco, and I gotta go with this crazy pink square body. They're both amazing, obviously, but that metallic pink is just super cool. But all right, you guys. That was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Wednesday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos 2 or 3 times a week, more or less. And if collecting little cars is your thing, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.